The first time ever I did clip-in extensions with human hair in my hair. I am super duper obsessed, you guys. So this hair that I got is off of Amazon. It's Lashey human hair extensions, clip-in hair, 100% Remy human hair. It's a kinky straight texture. These are seamless clip-in extensions. So y'all see how thin the band is? Like, they're super duper seamless. So this is the kinky straight hair. I'm showing you guys that it does get straight with flat ons. So I think I had this on 400 degrees and it did get pretty straight. I didn't do a bunch of run-throughs with the hair. I just wanted to get it a little straight before I actually put it inside of my hair. And then once I got all my hair in, I did wind up curling it, which you guys will see later on in the video. And I use these other curling irons that I got off Amazon, which I will show you guys. So just keep on watching. Now, I was a little hesitant because I wasn't sure if the kinky straight would get straight. Like, I really like straight hair to look, but it actually did, and it came out so natural. This is my first time putting in kinky straight hair. I usually get the silky, the straight body wave type of hair, and this I absolutely adore. And also, when you get kinky straight hair, you actually get more hair on the whips. So to me, it's like an added bonus. So I will continue to buy kinky straight hair in the future. But here I'm doing an easy part my hair, section it off, and clip in the seamless clip-ins on top of my actual hair. So I did not braid my hair at all, just parted and clipped in the hair, which you will see me do. And the clip-ins were very secure. Again, first time using these, so I kind of like tugged at it. You'll see me do that throughout the video. And I'm like, yo, this is not really going anywhere. Like, I'm really feeling these clip-ins. And they get so flat to your hair. That's why they're called seamless, if you did not know. Because they do have clip-ins out there that is kind of bulky, like track. And of course, you can see those when you put your hair in a ponytail, whatever it is. But with these seamless ones, y'all, you could do ponytails, buns, whatever with these clip-ins, and dead serious, they will look like they're coming from your scalp. That's how flat they adhere to your actual hair, which is awesome. I actually bought 2 bundles of this hair, and in each bundle you get 7 different pieces. And I got 22-inch and also a 20-inch. So you did see me do side by side so y'all can see the difference in the inches. And this hair is pretty long, so to me, it's longer than 22, like that longer length. But the 7 pieces do go a long way. I have a bigger head, so I do recommend getting, I got 2 bundles. But I actually could have just thugged it out and did the 1 bundle because the hair is so thick. And because I also had my real hair out as well, it kind of helped it fill in the hair. And the 2 individual pieces of the 22-inch, I actually did not even use. So I had extra hair at the end when I was all done putting the, installing all the clip-ins, the 2 bundles. But I did want it to be full, and this came out super duper full. But look how seamless it is, y'all. I was so surprised. Like, wow, this stuff is so flat, flatter than track, flatter than a sew-in. Like, what? And the hair is so daggone soft, so soft. It's super high quality, and it's tangle-free. I've had it now this was November when I did this, and now we're in January, so a couple months. And I've been wearing it on and off. I haven't even washed the hair yet, and it has not shed. It's still tangle-free. It does not have a funky smell. And right here, I'm showing you guys the second bundle, which is a 20-inch that I'm about to start putting in my hair. I am going to wash the hair currently soon because I want to, make it super duper fresh again and just see how it turns out after I wash it. But I did see another girl on on YouTube get this hair, and she washed it. Came out really, really nice. So I don't have any doubts at all that if I wash his hair, it isn't going to turn back brand new out the package. You feel me? And I am super excited to do it. So I probably will actually record that and show you guys as well. But yeah, when I tell you I was feeling this hair, first time doing clip-ins and a seamless and this kinky hair, a whole bunch of first time for me, I was really feeling it because it was turning out so good. And I was taking Christmas pictures. So that's why I was putting the hair in and everything. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is just so awesome. Now, this company do have body wave and straight hair as well. But Again, I'm just showing y'all the kinky straight one. I do want to try the body with, no, I want to try the straight one because, again, this is kinky straight, so it doesn't get like the straightest that it could, but it gives you that more natural look, which is more my cup of tea. But I think I'm going to try the straight one and record that one for you guys as well. And also, if you're not interested in the seamless, they do have the classic kind of clip-ins, but I'm sorry, y'all, I am not going to recommend them. I'm going to recommend these seamless ones because why not? Why not? If you can have natural looking hair and you actually got some fake hair in there but it looks super natural, why not go that route? Like, I'ma always choose that any day of the week. So here I'm adding in the last little individual piece of clipping just to blend in the top of my hair, and I wanted to go for a side part, so put it in and it blended in very well. Like, y'all, to me, I cannot tell where the real hair in my hair stops. Like, look at that. This is just like, what? No complaints, y'all. No complaints for real. So I told y'all I had tried out these new curl-ons that I also got off of Amazon because I wanted like a longer barrel and a bigger barrel to kind of do a quick body wave type of curl in the hair. And it did work out. But at first, these curlers was like getting on my nerves because the hair was like slipping out. I don't know if the hair was too soft or what, but it was alright. I worked it out. I don't recommend these curlers. I'm just gonna let y'all know. After I curled my hair here, I did use it on my daughter's hair, her natural hair, and it worked out really, really good. But then it burnt my bathroom counter. So yeah, I'm just not recommending these curlers because they don't really have a thing on the bottom that you can sit it on so that it doesn't burn anything. Anyway, I'm telling y'all too much. I digress. Back to this hair. So this is the final product. So the goal was to go with like some like play hair, not really formulated curls and things like that. Like a natural look up out of bed, but I'm still like, got yesterday hair curl. So I just love this. It's nice and freaking flat. Do y'all see that? Super flat. All right, everybody, it's the next day, and literally, sorry if you hear my dog barking in the background. I rolled my hair up last night in these little, in these flexi rods that I have, and I'm really surprised because it's coming out curly, which is really nice because I didn't think it was gonna come out curly because by the time I rolled my hair up last night, and this is the next day after, again, when I did the install of these clip-ins, my hair was like really straight. So this is nice that it curled up. So I'm really happy about that because I wanted it to have a curl in it originally. That's why I was using those curl lines. So these are the two sizes that I used to roll my hair up last night. I didn't have a lot of purple ones, so the purple ones I basically put on the outside of my hair, and then the rest of these are the the gray ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. All right, so they're all out. And I think I'm gonna redo these clip-ins and like braid most of my hair and only leave out because I think having my real hair out did make it a little bit more thicker as well, but I like the thickness, but it's a little bit maybe too thick, I don't know, but it definitely looks super natural. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Let's fix this part. That was kind of bugging me out having that part. I'll put just a little bit of grease so my hair don't get dry. It's cold where I am, and I go outside. I want my scalp to get dry. All right, so I do want to put a little bit of heat on this part because it looks dry. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of grease there on like my hair because that'll help it lay down a little bit too, just a little tiny bit on my natural hair. And when I do that, I may not even need to add any heat to it. We'll see. All right, so I'm going to gently unravel the curls a little bit. Let me fix this camera, come down a little bit. All right, I'm going to gently unravel the curls, hoping for the best. I don't want to unravel it too much, but that's kind of cute. I don't know what that little click click noise what I just made, but yeah. All right. Just a little separation is fine. And I kind of am feeling like the little more. All right, so we got to get this fuzzy part together. So I'm gonna see if I can just comb it in and blend it. Otherwise, I may have to put a little bit of heat to it, because it's mainly my real hair that's fuzzing up. That's frizzing up. Because after I washed it, I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in there, but it didn't really do a lot because I didn't want my hair to be too heavy way down, because I know I was gonna have to have it out some. And leave-in conditioner. Like a little bit, that made it a little bit too much, but we rub it in some, and just a little bit to help it lay down, because I really don't want to, I have my flat-ons right here just in case, so I really don't want to put anything in there. I think that did the trick. Like literally, I think I'm done. I can't really see the back though. Let me see. Take this and blend it. So literally you can't tell like where my natural hair and the clip-ins start and stop. Like this blending is really good. This kinky curl, look at the texture. It looks so real. It's not shiny. It blends in with my natural hair. Like it looks really nice, really good. The hair has been tangle free. It has not tangled at all. No shedding so far at all. I really like this, and I see a lot of people, look at that natural, look how seamless this is though. Like I can put it super flat. Like I can't wait to do ponytails and stuff with these clip-ins. Like the seamless band is super duper seamless and thin and nice, and it looks super natural behind my ear. I'm not really behind your ear type of girl, but it looks really nice. I'm gonna do my edges a little bit, just a little bit right here, since this is out. I'm not even minding like this like natural, I don't want to say dryness, but this kind of like look at the top. I'm not even really like minding it because of how good the texture of this hair is. I really like this. This is a goal for me. I'm taking Christmas pictures tomorrow with my family, and I'm so happy that I ordered this hair and got it. It definitely curled up really nice with just these holding it together at night. So I recommend not just sleeping on the hair, but roll it up, wrap it around, take it out, but don't lay on the hair without, you know, managing it or tying it up or something like that. So you guys, this is a plus for me. I'm gonna do my edges, and then she's done. She's ready to go. I love these clip-ins. And to top it off, this was my first time putting clip-ins in my hair, and they're sold on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of commission if you use my code. I'll really appreciate it because it's going to help on my channel. But Amazon have them. I've seen other people get them off Amazon, and really good reviews for them. And here's another one, a really awesome review. I'm really picky with the kind of hair I use in my hair, so I'm not just like BSing y'all. Like this is my real opinion, and I see this is kind of, I'm gonna put a little bit of heat, I think, on my real hair. You see that? I'm gonna put a little bit more heat on this one just to let it blend in a little bit. Let me see. Just let it blend in a little bit. Cute little curl. Yeah, that works out much better because it was sticking out, and I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my hair, and I like it to look real nice and natural. I don't want my hair to look fake. I don't want you to be able to tell that I got fake hair in my hair or tracks or wig, none of that stuff. So this is definitely up my alley in a sense. So let me do my edges and I'll be done. If you guys are interested, definitely check out the link down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. Your girl is back. It's been a minute since I put a video up, but I moved. I'll be doing like a video of my house. I have a brand new built house, and I'm super duper excited about this. I took some time off just to get everything settled and good, and it's just been a Jordan winning year 2023, seriously. So I hope you guys are blessed out there. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Just a little bit. Watching you.